Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. This is our journey on Pico Island. It's our channel, Carlos and Laura. The main reason we started this channel was to promote Pico Island, one of the 9 islands of the Azores, which is what we've been doing. I think we have about 140 videos now, and we share our experience here on Pico Island. We spend time between here in Canada, Laura and I. And I'm in location here in an area called Silvera, just off Lajes, the village of Lajes on Pico Island. In front of me here we have the ocean pounding today, beautiful waves coming up, and behind me we have these amazing trees. It's actually a park, and it's just amazing. They're old, it smells like pine. I mean, it's a beautiful day today as well. But we wanted to do a video to talk a little bit about our packages that we put together, which is like low and slow. Now, these packages are put together by Life Wellness Azores, and you've seen him and us work as partners doing some other videos on St. George and Fayal in here. Low and slow. So low season, slow pace. Obviously, the pace can change depending on who's doing the tour. And we just thought it would be, we just wanted to share a little bit about, with some of our followers, talk a little bit about these packages. We've actually just started doing them. I've done them in the past through my company in Canada. Gito's been doing them. He's well versed in all of the Azores and mainland Portugal. And I think we just, the reason why we wanted to do this video at this time is because we actually had a couple. They're also followers, Lou and Geri, come on board with our triangle tour. They spent time in Fayal and St. George and Pico. And when they were here on Pico, we were lucky enough to spend a day with them. And we actually also had dinner the next day with them. And they're actually from Hawaii, and they were on this tour, and we just wanted to share basically our experience with them. We thought it was just amazing. This is why we're doing these tours at GDO, Life Wellness and us, because we love meeting people. We like promoting the island, and Pico Island, and the rest of the Azores. So when they were here, we took them around. It was just an amazing experience with them. And we got to learn from them, like we learned from other people that we come in tune with, either followers that have visited the island and connected with us, or just people we know from the island, visitors we sometimes meet in the cafe. They're coming from somewhere else in the world. We're always discussing, talking, engaging, and I think this is what we learned from Geri and Lou, was various demographics of people that are coming from the different parts of the world that wind up coming to the Azores. And now they also had other reasons. Their ancestors are actually from Pico, and they're in the middle of finding out more about them. And if anybody out there knows one or two of the better ways that they can do that, either here in the Azores, maybe a portal or a way outside of ancestry, because it's a little different, just put in the comments and I can relay it over to them. Right? So. A little bit about the tour and about the type of travel we do. Obviously, we have the low and slow, keeping always that in mind. We have all the islands at our disposal. We also have the mainland. We actually have a small group that's going to be doing both, mainland and the Azores, coming up. And this is what we want to be doing, Life Wellness and us. And we just think it was about time we can talk a little bit more about it, and we'll put other videos out as we do them. The key elements to these tours, these packages, is the islands. They're the main character. Pico Island, St. George, Fayal, the rest of the Azores Islands, they're the main character. Aside from doing the triangle package tour, we're going to do other ones. We can customize. And I think if Lou and Geri and the tour that we're on is any indication, I think that we're going to do very well. And I think we want to show these islands our way. Another key is obviously Laura and I having a lot of experience being connected to, in our case, Pico Island, and in Gito's case, he's from St. George, and from St. George, and his wife is actually from Breciosa. Different age groups, they're all going to be coming over, and we can tailor the tours to fit them. In Geri and Lou's case, they did the triangle, so they spent time in Fayal, then they went over to St. George, and they made their way over to Pico. Okay, and then they went back to something else back in the United States, which is eventually Hawaii. Obviously, they already live in paradise. One of the paradises on the planet, definitely Hawaii, I consider it. It's an amazing place, and I would say that the Azores, they do have characteristics of Hawaii, and New Zealand and Iceland, but people are coming from everywhere. They're literally coming, and part of the tour that they did what we did on that day, we basically showed them the southern coast. They also had a car, they did their own thing. But on that day, we kind of took over from, picked them up at Pocinho Bay, and they picked that property. We actually did a video just on Pocinho Bay. We'll put the link down. And they loved staying there. They might meeting the owners, Lisa and Jose, and they couldn't say enough good things about this place, Pocinho Bay. It's a bit higher quality luxury, and that's if you want that. That's one of the places you can stay in. So we picked them up there and basically showed them. Took the coastal road all the way to São Mateus. They also wanted to see our reno that we're doing because they do follow the channel. Spent some time at the house, and then we took South São Mateus area. Made our way again along the coast into the São Caetano area, cut up to the main highway. Well, I'm not going to call it highway, the main road of the island that goes all the way around the island, and made our way through over to Laje, stopping along the way. We stopped at a park São João. There's pine forest. They call it a mistério, dos mistérios here on Pico. They have deer there. They have barbecue, so we stopped there. Carried over into Aldeia do Fonte. It's one of the first hotels, uppark hotels on the island. One of the best restaurants there, Aldeia do Fonte. Spent some time. They have a lot of folks, beautiful plants. They enjoyed seeing them. And then we carried over to Laje. We walked there a little bit around Laje. Stopped at the museum there of whale watching, or the museum of the Whalers Museum. And then we had lunch at Fonte Tavern. Outdoors on the patio, really nice lunch. They enjoyed it as well. And then we carried over along the southern coast, Ribeiras, Santa Barbara, Santa Cruz. Just a beautiful drive. One of my favorite drives on the island is that they totally enjoyed that. Stopped in MAGMA, an amazing restaurant with amazing views. Part of it's the restaurant at Lava Homes. Also did a video on Lava Homes and MAGMA. We'll put the links down for that. I had a nice coffee there. 4 galões, okay, like lattes, with a beautiful view in front of us. That was part of the break. Carried over around the island, the tip of the island, Piedade, where you start seeing São Jorge, over to São Roque, and then cut up to the highlands. Now, on this particular day, unfortunately, when we got up there, it's just cloud formation. We're actually in the clouds.
They probably go after the rabbits too, I think.
Yeah, these are big hawks. Just go slow, man.
We're gonna check out a lake called Captain's Lake, Lagoa do Capitão. Unfortunately, it was just too. We got to see it for maybe 30 seconds, but that's part of these islands, you know. It's the nature of it, right? Sun, you get 3 seasons in one day, you know, that kind of, and this is the volcanic aspect of it, and this is what draws a lot of people here, right? It's not a place you go lie in the sun 24/7. This is not it. People that want that, they have to go somewhere else. And people that come already know that. We obviously let them know what's here. Through our videos, you can see for yourselves. There's other videos you can tap into before you get here. You'll see that the Azores is a very special place, and I've traveled a lot. I've been in the travel industry since '89. Traveled to a lot of places, but I can tell you that the Azores, there's not too many places left on the planet like these islands. And I think it should be on everyone's bucket, especially if you like nature, if you're nature lovers. And this is the binding. This is the like-minded. When I say like-minded, there are all these people that I meet that we have met, and we're going to meet in the future. They're like-minded with the link of nature. Is also our livelihoods, but a lot of times it's not like work. You know, we really love sharing this beautiful place. So does GDO and Life Wellness. I think that's how we're gonna be. You're gonna come as a guest, you're gonna come as a tourist, as a traveler, you're gonna leave as a friend. And I think we really believe that. And I think this is one reason why we wanted to do this video, to show a little bit of give you a little bit of taste of the island through the video. And just want to say again that it was a pleasure meeting Lou and Geri, spending some time with you guys. And I think we'll hope to meet again. I actually send them a little note just saying, you know, it was nice meeting them, and hopefully you had safe travels on the way back to Hawaii. And the response from Lou and Geri was that you're your family. And I think I remember when I went to Hawaii, it was that, you know, it's family. You know, you meet some people you really like, you feel, you don't forget them, you know. And I think we've met a lot of people already here that we won't forget. And I think through these packages, GDO, Life Wellness, and us, I think that's the way it's going to go. This is the way we want to show Pico, St. George, the Triangle, the rest of the Azores. And, you know, for that, feel free to go into Life Wellness website or Pico Holiday Experts website. If you have any questions, you know, you could send comments like you usually do. Obviously, the emails, don't forget to like. Hopefully you enjoyed this little bit of a little tour we did with Geri and Lou on Pico. And yeah, I mean, guys, get over here. All right, don't hesitate. Put it on your list. If it's a year or two from now, you could already start engaging with us. Have any questions about the island, what's here, what's not, and hopefully you'll continue to watch our videos. And if this is the first time you're watching, please subscribe, because there's always going to be something different coming on board. It's not just about the scene, you know, scenic landscapes. It is about us doing renovations. People want to sit and retire here. We're going to touch on that. Some of the activities that you can do on these islands, anything from whale watching, you can do sailing, you can do diving, you can do fishing, you can do canyoning. You can get extreme, you know, with lots of amazing hikes, coastal, highlands. Now, you could also do bird watching. There's photographers coming to do a lot of photography. Just a wide range of activities, a lot of them connected to nature. You could also do nothing. These islands are great to do nothing. Just sit back, look at the ocean, and just take it easy. Just want to give you a little bit of an insight for those of you thinking of coming. Any of these activities can be implemented into any of the packages, okay? Some people might not like being in the water. They'll do stuff on land. I mean, it's just the way we do it, and we really profile every guest that wants to come over. The first engagement with the Life Wellness, for example, is finding out what people like. So when they get here, they can hit the ground running. People are doing what they like, even if they're in a group and half the group wants to do one thing, half the group wants to do another, no problem. Anyway, it's starting to come down a bit of rain. I also wanted to show you our new jackets. I don't know if we've showed them before in one of the other videos. Laura brought these back. She made them, designed them and everything. Let's see here. There you go. Laura said, make sure you wear the jacket when you do this. So most of the filming, I'm too behind here, but I think you got to see that. We have a workshop that Life Wellness and us are doing together, just starting on May 12th. I'm already getting the nerves, butterflies. For me, my first workshop, and Judy's done those before. And can't wait to meet you guys that are coming. There's 6 beautiful people on their way over here to meet with us. We're going to spend time in Playal and Pico as far as stays. 3 nights in Playal, 7 nights on Pico. We're also going over to St. George and just give them a really good taste of the island, learn a little bit about retiring. Again, this workshop, we're going to do some vlogging on that as well. But for now, this was all about some, you know, beautiful couple, Lou and Geri, visiting us here, and you are family. Okay, and for all you guys, see you on the next video.